Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can allow reminder notification on Facebook Lite. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then you can see the option of reminder, tap on it. Next, you can see the option of allow notification on Facebook. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can allow reminder notification on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.